Ever wondered how broadcasters deliver flawless, real-time content to millions of viewers? The technology that enables this is Cisco IP Fabric for Media Solutions. Hi, my name is Veselin Ilic. I am a Cisco certified instructor with 18 years of experience in Cisco technologies. In this course, you'll learn how to design and operate IP-based media fabrics with Cisco's Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller. Through hands-on labs, you'll work with close architecture, redundant BTP, and advanced multicast, plus learn how to size and provision fabrics for real-world broadcast environments. The shift to IP is transforming the media industry. Mastering these skills ensures you stay ahead in an industry where speed, scalability, and reliability define success. Ready to lead the transition to IP-based broadcasting? Join me and gain the expertise to future-proof your career.